Go.
Hi guys, Uncle Fix here. Today we're gonna show you how to remove screw from the tire and patch it up. So, as usually, Zach is my cameraman.
Hi.
Yeah, okay, Zach. Yeah, here is the screw. We have an appointment on Saturday, so but we didn't make it. So, what tool do we need? So here is the tools. You can buy at Canadian Tire or any other stores. And you also need some pliers, maybe side cutters, whatever work for you to remove screw. All right. And also nice to have a glue as well. So let's do it, right?
Yeah, can I do it? Oh, I want to do it.
Okay.
So first, you grab your side cutters. You try and wedge it behind the screw. You try and clamp it, but then you push it down so then it comes out. And then you kind of wiggle it around in there. And then keep wiggling. And then up and down. Try and do up and down.
Okay. Hold it, I will.
Yeah, I'll do it. You do it. And a very big.
Okay, you go like this. What I'm doing, I'm just cleaning the rubber, so all rust or debris will come out. At this point, tire is not really leaking, so just do it a couple times, in and out, in and out. So now you grab one of these, nice and sticky.
Yeah, it is very sticky.
Yes. Then it's another tool. So
You push it right through.
push it right through. Somewhere on the middle, like this. Okay. Next step, you put a little bit glue on top.
For it to be good sealed.
Correct. Like this. Nice and soaked. You can go without glue.
But I think it's a little bit better.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Okay. Just like that.
The glue smells bad. Doesn't very smell
Okay.
good.
Okay. So now I have to do quickly. I'm pulling this tool out and I'm gonna stick this one in. It's gonna go tight, but when you push it in, make sure you don't go too far, because if you do, you're gonna lose this inside the tire. So when you push it in, you kind of support with another hand. So if it's gonna go in, you catch it and you stop it. All right. So has to be done quickly. Pull it out. This one in, and then kind of wiggle.
Air from 2016.
See, it's going in. So
Yeah.
you just go like this, and you leave it. You leave some stuff outside. Now you have to pull quickly out, and this
Will stay in.
stay in.
Okay.
That's it. So now, normally at this point, air is not leaking anymore. The next step, we're gonna cut remaining out.
Yes. So just go like that, and then snip.
No, don't pull it. Just snip it.
I'm trying.
Push it harder. Yeah, it's hard.
How about I record?
Okay. You just push it harder.
Wow, that snap is satisfying.
That's it. So over here, some people use the lighter to light it up and then kind of press it like this with lighter. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. So at this point, the tire repair is done. Please like and subscribe Uncle Fix YouTube channel. This will help us to move forward and get more views, and share, subscribe like usually. All right, guys. So we're gonna do another side as well, because we have another hole over there. So which is gonna be another video. I will show you how to find it. Leak. All right. See you shortly.